Hello, I'm Rob with CFS. Today we're bringing you some more new products. This happens to be a zero clearance fence for the Milwaukee 695520, and we're going to show you how to install it. There'll be a link in the description below for this product, and if you have any issues with your saw as far as the fence being square, we'll have a link in the description below to show you how to resolve that. This one happens to be fairly square, so we're just going to go ahead and show installing it. So I've already taken the time to install my left fence. Now I'm going to install my right. So the hardware necessary for the kit comes with the kit. You won't need any hardware. We provide it in the kit. And then normally you would cut your zero clearance table insert. If you choose not to get one of these, then we recommend that you then just take your fences and you make sure they're torqued. You torque that down. Once it's torqued down, make sure it slides. Line up your blade, come to a tip, one of the tips, back it off just a little bit. That was a little too loose, back it off just a little bit more. Make sure she clears. Slide it in the other one. Touch. And now you've got your zero clearance, EZ-Speedy zero clearance fence installed. That's going to avoid any chip out. These are perpendicular. You do not use these in a beveling. This is only for mitering. If you need the best, choose CFS. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you so much.